Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to present to you the release notes of Boyum IT's Beas Manufacturing 2022.11. Our most important additions in this version include several modifications in batch calculation, a duplicate function in maintenance plans, a removal function in QC orders, and UDF improvements in the time receipt window. The batch calculation results are now displayed in inventory unit of measure. Calculation is based on production unit of measure and lot size, but all prices are transferred according to inventory unit because when moved to price lists or converted to calculation prices, they must be in inventory units. For better understanding, the unit for the calculated price is displayed in the item master data. And last but not least, if there is any inconsistency in the lot size for calculation, for example, the quantity was imported within an item import, Beas will calculate the correct lot size for the calculation. As an additional improvement, if the pre-calculation save flag is active in the batch calculation extended settings, the detail button in the batch calculation results window opens the pre-calculation screen. If the mentioned setting is inactive, this button opens the schema view of the pre-calculation for the selected entry. You can view the batch calculation results in inventory unit of measure. First, double-click the golden arrow left of the lot size field in the pre-calculation result window. Then the calculation master data window opens. Third, change the value of the lot size per production field from production unit of measure to inventory unit of measure in the calculation master data valuation tab. As a usability improvement, now you can delete existing QC orders. This functionality is only valid if no measurements are created and there are no released positions inside the order. Now, additional UDFs are available in the production time receipt window. In the previous versions, only UDFs 1 to 4 were available. These new fields are not visible in the window. The user can create text boxes to link with those fields or assign them with Beas script. The system saves the information automatically when the time receipt is created. Additionally, you can write the following script as an example of how to create a text box in the screen and link with the UDF5 field. The duplicate function for maintenance master data header and maintenance plan details is now available in maintenance plans and in internal and external maintenance windows. The new function has been added in browse and edit forms alike. According to our release roadmap, our next version will be 2023.02 to be released at the end of February 2023. This concludes the introduction to the 2022.11 release of Beas Manufacturing. Thank you for tuning in, check our other videos on our YouTube channel, and keep in touch concerning any questions you might have.